This is where things get really interesting, right?
It is. This is where you can see how the CRM can really help your business grow strategically.
Yeah.
We're not just talking about automating simple tasks here. We're talking about sophisticated workflows that nurture leads, personalize interactions based on individual behavior.
Okay, you've got my attention. Give me an example. How would this work in real life?
So imagine someone visits your website and downloads, let's say, a free guide.
Yeah.
The CRM can automatically add them to an email list, one that's specific to their interest based on that guide they downloaded.
Oh, I see.
And then
Sure.
it can trigger a series of emails, personalized emails, that provide them with, valuable content, maybe showcases some products or services that would be relevant to them, basically guiding them toward becoming a customer.
So instead of those generic email blasts, you're sending targeted campaigns that are actually relevant to the individual.
Right. It's all about personalization.
I like it, but wouldn't it feel a little too impersonal? Robotic?
Yeah, that's a risk with any kind of automation.
Yeah.
But that's where, thoughtful setup and segmentation come in. The goal isn't to spam people with irrelevant messages, right? It's about building relationships, providing value.
Okay, yeah.
You can use the CRM to personalize those emails with things like their name, their past purchase history, even their website browsing behavior.
So you're not losing that human touch.
Exactly. It's about finding the right balance. And don't forget those KPI reports. They come in handy here, too.
Oh, right.
You can track how well your automated campaigns are performing, see what's working, what's not, and make adjustments, constantly tweaking things for optimal performance.
Data-driven marketing. Love it. We can't forget about integrations either.
Oh, that's crucial.
The CRM, it can integrate with a bunch of other tools, right?
Yeah, no CRM is an island. And it seems like they've made integration a priority with this one.
So I don't have to constantly swish between platforms, manually transferring data.
Nope, everything can flow seamlessly. Think of it this way. Your accounting software, your email marketing platform, social media, they can all talk to each other through this CRM.
So it really does become the central hub for your business.
Exactly. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, making sure everything works in harmony.
I love that analogy, but honestly, doesn't that also add a layer of complexity? More things to manage.
I mean, it could, but it seems like they've really focused on user experience, even with these complex integrations. It's about simplifying, not complicating things.
Okay, good. Well, we've covered a lot in this deep dive. Dashboards, reports, automation, resources, integrations. This CRM seems like it has everything a business needs to grow. So as we wrap up, what's the one thing you want our listener to take away from all of this?
I think it's important to remember that the true power of any CRM is not just in its features, it's in how well it fits your specific needs, your goals. Think about what we talked about today, which features really stood out to you, and how you can use them to streamline your work and get those valuable insights.
It's all about finding the perfect fit for your business. And don't forget, you can always go back and check out those sources we linked, dive deeper into anything that caught your attention. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us. We're always here to help.
Always happy to help.
That's it for this deep dive. Until next time, stay curious.
Okay, so everyone's talking about customer loyalty these days, right? Like, how do we get people to stick around?
Absolutely. And not just stick around, but really become part of, a community.
Exactly.
That's where recurring revenue comes in.
And that's kind of where we're headed today. We're diving
Yes.
deep into membership models.
Yes.
All about memberships. And specifically, we're looking at ClinicSoftware.com. Now, just so everyone's on the same page, they make CRM software.
Yeah, specifically for like spas and salons and clinics.
Right, places that can really benefit from that loyal customer base.
Yeah, they're the ones who are really leaning into this idea that memberships are like the secret weapon for growth.
Yeah, and they're making some pretty bold claims, increase lifetime value.
Oh, yeah.
Turning members into like raving fans who do your marketing for you. So we got to break this down.
Right.
What is it about memberships that makes them so powerful?
Well, it's a fundamental shift, really. We've been so focused on these one-off transactions for so long.
Right, just get that single sale.
Yeah, but now it's all about building relationships.
Okay, so it's more than just like a discount card then.
Oh, yeah, way more.
Okay.
Think about it. Do you want just a bunch of random people coming in and out of your business? Or do you want to cultivate like a dedicated group of people who feel connected?
Right, like they're invested.
Exactly.
Okay, that makes sense.
They come back again and again because they feel like they belong.
Okay, so how do memberships do that? Like, how do they actually create that feeling of belonging?
Well, it's more than just giving people a discount, right?
Right.
ClinicSoftware.com, they're really big on this idea of creating exclusive experiences for your members.
Okay, so like, What kind of experiences are we talking about here?
So many possibilities. You could do VIP access to special events,
Okay.
or maybe early releases of new products or services,
Okay.
even something like a dedicated online forum.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, just for members to connect and share their experiences.
Like a little club.
Exactly, a club where everybody feels valued and appreciated.
Okay, so that sounds great in theory, but let's be real.
Yeah,
Some business owners are probably sitting there thinking, okay, memberships. That means I'll be making less money off each customer.
right. Gotta address that fear.
Yeah, like what does ClinicSoftware.com say to those people?
Well, they've actually done a lot of research on this, and what they found is that memberships, when done right, can actually increase your overall revenue.
Wait, really?
Yeah, think of it like Netflix, right?
Okay.
They have their basic subscription, but then they offer those premium upgrades too.
Right, like for more screens or HD.
Exactly. So you could apply that same concept to, say, a spa.
Okay.
You offer a basic membership with maybe some discounts, and then you have premium tiers with extra perks like a free monthly treatment or guest passes.
Why like that?
You're essentially creating multiple levels of engagement and spending within your membership program.
Okay, so multiple tiers, that makes sense. But now I'm thinking about the logistics.
Yeah,
Like, how do you keep track of all these different membership levels and the billing and all that stuff?
that's where the CRM comes in.
CRM?
Yeah, it stands for Customer Relationship Management.
Okay.
And it's basically a system for organizing and managing all your customer data.
So like a superpowered ad book.
That's a good way to put it.
Okay.
And ClinicSoftware.com, they have a CRM specifically designed for managing memberships.
Okay.
It can track member activity, automate your billing,
That sounds helpful.
and most importantly, personalize the experience.
Personalization, that's a buzzword I hear a lot.
It's not just hype, though. It's about making your members feel seen and valued.
Okay, so how does a CRM actually do that?
Imagine sending targeted offers based on their purchase history, or even something as simple as a birthday message.
Oh, that's a good idea.
It's those little touches that make a big difference.
Okay, so now we've got happy, engaged members who feel like they're part of something special.
That's the goal,
What's next?
turning those happy members into your biggest fans.
Like brand ambassadors.
Exactly. ClinicSoftware.com, they talk a lot about using the CRM to manage referral programs.
Okay, so like incentivizing people to spread the word.
Exactly. You can track who's referring new members and reward them accordingly.
Okay, so are we talking like discounts here?
Discounts are always good, but you could get creative too.
Okay.
Maybe offer exclusive content or early access to new offerings,
Okay.
or even something like a Member of the Month spotlight on social media.
Oh, I like that.
It's about making your members feel like they're part of something exclusive.
And people love feeling exclusive.
It's human nature.
Okay, so we've talked about the CRM, we've talked about referral programs.
Mm-hmm.
What about this mobile app I keep hearing about?
Oh, yeah, the mobile app that's key for convenience.
Okay.
Members can book appointments, manage their memberships, even access exclusive content all from their smartphones.
So it's all right there in their fingertips.
Exactly. ClinicSoftware.com, they really emphasize making sure the app is user-friendly and that it integrates seamlessly with the CRM.
Makes sense. It's all about creating a smooth experience.
Exactly.
Now, what about access control?
Ah, good point.
It seems like there would be different levels of access depending on what kind of membership someone has.
Absolutely. The CRM allows you to set really granular permissions.
Okay,
So a basic member might have access to online booking and discounts,
right.
while a premium member might get exclusive content, a dedicated support line, or even the